What part of an Oreo do you prefer? The chocolate cookie or the vanilla cream? You probably like both, as together they make the uniqueness of an Oreo cookie, and together they make a great cookies and cream ice cream. But what about the times you want more chocolate? I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate cookies and cream ice cream. One cup whipping cream. 2 cups milk. 1/2 cup sugar. 1/2 cup cocoa powder. Stir until all the sugar is dissolved. Cover and let sit in fridge overnight. You will also need 15 chopped frozen Oreos, approximately 1 cup. Keep the frozen chopped Oreos in your freezer for the next day. Pour ice cream base into your ice cream machine. Start ice cream machine according to its directions. 5 minutes before your ice cream is ready, add the frozen chopped Oreos. Pour ice cream into freezer-safe container. Put the ice cream in the freezer. Scoop and enjoy.